Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this fraction. 6 minus 6 times 2 over 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go and get started. Instead of our fraction, we can write parentheses, the numerator 6 minus 6 times 2 divided by denominator, which is 2. Now we have this parentheses and this division. According to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and A and S stands for addition and subtraction. We first do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. And the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here first we have to do this parentheses, then this division. And inside these parentheses, we have one subtraction and one multiplication. In PEMDAS, multiplication comes before subtraction. So first we have to do this multiplication. 6 times 2, which equals 12. Okay, so we have parentheses 6 minus 12 divided by 2. Now we have to do this subtraction. 6 minus 12. Which equals negative 6. Okay, we have negative 6 divided by 2, and this is equal to negative 3. So therefore our final answer to this problem is just negative 3.